Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I am here with a home decor, home furnishings type of situation. I have picked up a number of things mainly from HomeGoods and Ikea, and I just want to share those with you guys. Also, you know, I'm pretty sure you guys are noticing my backdrop back here. So I just want to walk you guys through the things that we have picked up recently for the home. So without further ado, let's go ahead and hop into the video. Okay, so first up I have some vases. That's what I'm going to call them. I know people who are fancy pronounce the term as vase, but I'm not fancy. I'm actually kind of ghetto. So therefore we're just gonna call these what they are because they're vases. So recently I picked up this vase. I absolutely love it. It has like a little texture to it. I've seen people do like a DIY for this, which I may try on this purple vase that I have to make it more of like a neutral palette, but I'm really not into DIYing. But this one was $20, and for the life of me, I can't remember where I picked this up. Like I literally can't remember, but I picked up a second one because I thought that this just had a little bit more character, and I knew that I wanted to place them both together whenever I placed them wherever I placed them. So I've actually found a home for them in my home office, and I absolutely love them. If I can remember where I got them, I'll link it down in the description box. Oh, I got it from Target. I'm like, I don't see, this is the thing. Target, I always say this all the time, Target is for rich people. You wanna know how I don't remember where I got this from? Now, normally I can recognize a sticker, but I cannot recognize this sticker. That is because I had randomly gotten $75 in Target gift cards. One was I had a Target gift card that I got for Christmas that I got from my Secret Santa, one of my Secret Santas. The other gift card was a relatively large amount, and that gift card was from my friend. It was lost in the mail for 3 months. It was supposed to be here for my birthday back in September, but it never made it. And so, yeah, I just was spending the gift cards, and that's why I did not recognize these vases. Now I see that this says Project 62, stoneware, handcrafted, all that stuff. So yes, these are both from Target. Next up, I got this little pod from HomeGoods. I'm sure you guys have noticed that I have a couple of these. I have a number of these. I think I have like a lemon one, perhaps. I know I have an avocado one. No, I have a banana one and an avocado one. Look who's home from work. They do have a citrus one and a lemon one, but anyway, this one is an onion one, and it was $2.99. Another item that I picked up from HomeGoods is this 2-tiered shelf. It is natural marble and it has like a gold accent. I actually want to put this on my vanity. I have a relatively small makeup vanity, but I feel like this could still be a vibe in there, and I could maybe display like some of my cute fragrances and some jewelry and maybe even some makeup and whatnot. So that is why I picked up this 2-tier tray from HomeGoods. Another item that I recently picked up, I think this is from like a HomeGoods as well, is this little vase situation. I don't really know what I plan to put inside of it, but over the Christmas break, I was kind of committed to whipping this office into shape, as evidenced by some of the, you know, the couch and some of the stuff that you see back there, which I need to show you guys some of the other items that I picked up. But yeah, I picked this up so I could display this on my shelf because I was trying to basically decorate and style my shelves. So jumping around to Ikea, I picked up these containers from Ikea. They were just like a few dollars each, nothing too major, and they are actually stackable. So basically it's just like a white container, and they have many different sizes. I have 2 of the different sizes, but they are stackable, and I just want to use these for organizing the home because obviously I'm still in the process of doing that. But the other size that I picked up is actually this size, so pretty big. As you can see, I think this is probably the size of like, I mean, I'm sure like you could definitely fit like a standard sheet of paper in here for sure. It's probably a little bit bigger than that. I'll have these linked down in the description box if I can find them, but they are pretty large in comparison to these. I also picked up these organizers from Ikea. They come in a pack of 3, so there's like a long one and then 2 small ones, and I picked up 2 packs. Again, I am just going to be using these for organizational purposes. I actually think that I want to use these to organize our little drawers in our master bathroom. Also from Ikea, we picked up some dish brushes. These were like $1, and they just stick. They're the kind of stick to the sink, or not really to the sink, but like to the countertops and whatnot. So I figured these may come in handy, especially when trying to clean bottles and stuff like that. And then I picked up some more sponges. I love these sponges from Ikea. One side is like a little bit tougher than the other side, so I like using this side, the tougher side, to get out real messes. And then I use the other side for cleaning, you know, like glasses or cups or things of the sort. So picked up some more of these. They were relatively inexpensive, maybe like $1 or $2. And then we also picked up this strainer, which I think is super cool because it expands, or it has like some little arms that expand, and then you can just sit this literally inside your sink. Like, you know, you wouldn't put it like all the way down inside your sink. You would kind of like sit it on the sink, if that makes any sense, between like the sink and the countertop, and then you'll have, you know, a strainer, and then you can just strain whatever you need to strain, and it just looks like a vibe. So I picked up this. We also picked up these little funnels from Ikea. We're going to use them for food. So it has a small one, and then there is a larger one. And so again, this is just going to be a funnel for food products only. And then we picked up this bowl. So this is going to be like for my husband's cereal bowl, because I feel like, well, he really likes cereal and he normally has like 2 bowls, and we don't have any large bowl like this for sure. So this is going to be his new cereal bowl. And then the last thing is a mixing bowl. We just thought that this was aesthetically pleasing, and we actually don't have one. So we went ahead and picked up this. This is mainly for my husband because obviously he's like super into cooking. So I think this is all that we got from Ikea. Let me go ahead and show you guys some of the larger furniture pieces. So I recently picked up this ottoman from At Home. It was on sale. It was on clearance for like $35 or something like that. And it is like an ivory color. It has this gold band around the middle of it, and I really like it because it has storage. So I actually am storing all of my filming equipment in this little storage area. Also from HomeGoods, I picked up this little side table. It was $69.99, handmade in Vietnam, and it actually has been living over here, but I haven't had it that long, so I don't really know if it will live over there permanently, but for right now, that is where it's living. This lamp is new as well. This came from HomeGoods. I believe it was $79.99. I have not plugged it up. I have not done anything because I recently got it, and I like to stare at an item in a space before I decide if I'm going to keep it, so I normally just keep the tags on and whatnot, but I love the black, the brassy gold, and the white for sure. Also recently I picked up these 2 pictures. I had a lot of gift cards from like Christmas and whatnot, but I picked up these from HomeGoods. They were like $40 each, I believe. I did go ahead and pick up 2 because I wanted them to kind of fill up this area a little more, so that is why I picked up 2, and I absolutely love them. This whole couch, of course, is new. This came from Wayfair months ago. Lots of furniture is like on back order, so if you order it, be prepared to wait for a pretty good while, but that is where the couch came from. I absolutely love it. Considering the cushions are just kind of held on by Velcro, you would think that they would move around a little bit more than what they do, but they don't move around at all. I love it. I love the gold legs. This blanket is also new from HomeGoods. I normally have it styled on here kind of cute, but obviously my husband was just in here. But that couch is new, the pictures, the side table, the lamp, and then I have one other thing that is new. The last things that are new are these containers. I bought 4 of them. I think that they're really pretty. They have like a gold element. They came from HomeGoods. They were $9.99 each, and I went ahead and bought 4 because I wanted to put 2 on each of my shelving units. And actually I have a lot of I don't want to say I have a lot of colorful things in there, but I just have a lot of like random planner supplies. Like a lot of my planners and such are in there, and I just kind of keep those stored up there because I don't need them. Some of them are just like old ones or ones that I'm keeping from memory. All right, you guys, so that is it for this video. Those are all of the items that I recently picked up for the home. I did get a lot of good stuff for Christmas, so we'll talk about that in a different video, but these are just all of the items that I picked up myself. I will try to have everything that I can think of or find linked down below in the description box. So that is it for this video, and I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.